Pretty fly, get off me. Oh, the buggers, how did that fly get in here? Okay, so this might be a long stream because I'm like streaming from the computer right now, so yeah, I'm starting from scratch with the design. Right, I'm just going to put the other one up for a minute. Because of the constraints, obviously, the having all these long arms reaching out over to the top and that, it was a nightmare, and there's too much flux floating around down here, and because of the big magnets I was using on the top of the yellow actuator, so I need that one for the other model, so I'm going to copy that. I'm just going to start from scratch. So let's start with a new model. Oh, there's some oh, there's something else I want. Let me just paste this in here. God, look how small that is. Right, yeah, there's something else I wanted. Let's just save this as magnet mode 2. Oh, I lost my dot. Put my dot back. Something else I wanted to grab from the other one. It just saves me a lot of time when I'm modelling stuff if I take a few basics like the size of the I can copy that. I'll take that with me. I'll copy that to the other one. I'll show you why in a minute. Oh, damn it, what have we done here? I've pasted the other one. Stupid thing. Oh. I don't want that. What the hell? I want this. Copy. Right. Go back to the other one. Stick that over there somewhere. It's just that I want that size reference because that's about as big as I can print any circle. This is a freaking fly, it's following me. I'm going to open my door, let's maybe I'll fly away. Maybe it will leave. I've got no frigging flies spray. Otherwise, if I end up with 2 flies, I might end up with 3 flies, and in that case, I'm going to go to the shop and buy some fly spray. But I'm not buying fly spray just for one frigging fly. They just distract me. They ruin my train of thought. Oh, so Right, so what I'm thinking about, I need the back of the, oh actually I'll just copy this bit here, edit component, copy that, just saves me having to model all that lot again. Oh, I've got a disk, oh, we can flip that over. I'll make it 2mm thick. Right, so okay, so the new concentrics are, hang on, edit component. Do I need that in there? Actually, yeah, probably. I think I'm going to do away with the, oh, I don't know if that's going to work though with the ball. Let's see. No, bugger it. Oh yeah, I want the ball as well. Hang on a minute. I don't want to start messing about drawing balls. Just a minute. Let's see, where can I grab that from? Is it in that one? Got a ball somewhere around here. Oops. I'll model that again. No, it's not in that one. Where is it? Oh, it was the early one. Let's just zoom in a bit. I can't see it. Oh, it's pixelated. Yeah, it's one of them old ones. Which one was it? Might be that one. Should be a ball around here. Stupid fly. Where is it? Oh, right. It might be hidden. Somebody said, oh, why don't you draw another one? Do you know how hard it is to draw a ball? I forgot how you do it actually. I could go and look it up again, I suppose. That one. all this work over the last few years. I would have put it in that one. Oh, look there, old friend. That took a lot of work. Right, there's got to be a steel ball in here somewhere. Well, it looks like I did find it before. It's in one of these models. Trouble is, I keep deleting the damn thing. Not that won't. Where is it? Oh, could have been here. Oh shit! What did I just do then? Ah, oh looks. I thought I had it then, and I just pressed the wrong button. Friggin' heck. I was going to zoom in. I think I pressed control somewhere else, and it just. Something gravity wheel, that's what I'm looking for. The actually hit that one. Oh, I think I've already been here. Where's the flipping one the first one I did? It had the ball on it. Oh, is that it? Can't see any ball. Where is it? I'll try that one. No, I don't want to save anything. I don't believe this. Oh, that's it. That's the one. Found you at last. I just want the ball. Right, found it at last. It's under these caps. Edit group. Hide. Well, there it is. Ah, there was one there anyway, there. Right, so copy. Oh shit. What's this fighting about? Yeah, it's a frigging nightmare to well, to make the ball exactly the right size. In fact, I think this is the wrong size. It needs to be 22mm, so dimensions, this is tricky bits. I don't know if I've got this in the right spot. Oh look. Oh damn it, that didn't work. Oh you twat, I'll just use my ruler first, hang on. What the maximum? line going right through the middle. Can't see the measurement. Oh, you twat. I should have edited first. No, that's okay. Right, I've got to scale this up to 22mm. Can't even see the damn numbers. Hang on, black and white mode. That's better. .1, that's good enough. Alright. Let's make sure. It's hard to measure a round sphere. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Delete guides. Get rid of that. As long as I've got the I'm just going to stop talking, I'm just going to let you watch. Because I can't think when I'm talking. Stupid where the hell is that other thing? Where is it? Oh, what do you mean? Oops. What the hell happened there? I'm losing my face, what the hell? Hang on. Why is it doing that? Make that a bit thicker. Strange. 3 guides. Oh, it's because I've got a hole. That's probably why. This is for the bearing. I need my central axis, so that's what that is. Actually, just a minute, I'll put it outside the group. Just from my axis, that represents a piece of the drive shaft, I suppose. Right. Actually, I can use that. That's my drive shaft. The bearing's not visible, so oh well. So what I'm doing is I want these things to pivot around the drive shaft, which is going to be a lot of air resistance unless I actually anyway, it's all an experiment. I've got it in the wrong plane at the moment. I don't know if you noticed, it's in the wrong plane. So that's going to be rotated as well. I think it was in the right plane before. Oh well. I just make boxes to get a flat surface, so that when I pivot I can do it against something that's parallel, like a square, like use squares to keep your components lined up. Right, now I need another one of these. The distance will need to be, let's see, rough idea. So .3 plus 22. Hang on a minute. 2.3 plus 22 plus 4.4 plus 4.4, 28.7. Right. Should be right. I missed some out. Oh yeah, I should have put that 4.4 in twice. Alright. Another 4.4. That should be right. Oh, that's too far now. What the hell? What? Dear me. So what's the gap down here again? Oh, 2.6. I'm just going to bring this down a bit more. Just do it by eye, that's near enough. This thing's going to be adjustable anyway. Right, so I've got two platters to begin with. But I'll put magnets in this thing as well, so these are components, so I'm going to need to flip this on the blue axis. It looks the same, but it's not. That face is now facing inwards with that face. Let's just colour it. Edit component. I'm in black and white mode, aren't I? Right, so paint bucket. The red surface is the magnet surface. Right, so that should be red. Yep, that one was red as well. So I've got the two red surfaces facing inwards, and these are going to be offset for timing. I'm going to hide this top level because whatever I do to the bottom one will also be done to the top one. So I'm going to hide that top one for now because I can work on it without that thing blocking my view. So I only have to do the work once on the bottom, and it should all appear on the top one as well. But I can rotate the top one so that the timing is different. Oh dear me. Right, so what I have to do now is make a sweet, what do you call it, an indent, an index point on here for me to, so I'm going to x-ray. I'm going to go to x-ray mode because I want to get exactly this central axis because this is important. So if I go to get that sort of that ring, that white ring is clear, I can see it all the way around. I want to make a hole. This is a temporary hole. Oh, look at that, we've more or less got the middle as well. Turn the x-ray off, make a hole. This is just temporary, so I can get my axis. So I should see the ball through there. Yep. Oh shit, another fly's coming. They're supposed to, actually they normally go out, they only come in when it's getting cold outside normally. Right, so let's just hide that. Now I've got a hole, that's just a reference point. at the moment, you have to forgive me, this is probably going to be a long drawn out live stream while I'm working on this. Oh, I didn't group that, did I? No. It's like all connected, make group. Bollocks! I hate flies. It's only a little diddy one though, so that's not so bad. I'm gonna shut my door again. Just not getting rid of them. I actually want a runner. So edit component. I'm going to have magnets mounted in these little adjustable tracks sort of thing. I hate having to redesign all this again. It means more printing and right, oh. Oh, this is the wrong height. I need to bring it down. Just a minute. Right, so the ball is gonna, let me see now. Right. Let's see, I need to measure from there. So I'm going to be using up to 20mm magnets, so I need to draw a line, ruler, to about 25. Oh. I'm in the wrong place. Oh, you twat. Hang on a minute. I need to rotate this thing because it's stupid. It's stupid. Hang on. Let's go back to black and white man. Right, let's try it now. Hang on. I want the blue axis, I want the red axis to line up with the centre. Nearly there, but I just don't like these axes. They just, I don't know how to change the axis actually. Just check something. That hole wants moving. Ah, that's the red axis. Right, let's go to 25. Oh bollocks, my flipping line hasn't shown up. Why is that? Try again. Are you? Friggin' line won't show up, will it? Let's try it from the other end. Alright, I'm just going to move that flipping thing. Get it lined up right. Now I've got a dot. Yay! I've got a dot finally. It's a bit long actually. That's yeah. I'm going to move the thingamajig and this hole inwards a bit. View hidden. What the hell is happening here? Oh, it's the top one. I want that to be visible. Just a minute. Cut. Edit component. Paste in place. I've got to move all of that, you see. X-ray mode. I should better get this lined up properly now. Oops, I just want the I don't want that actually right now. Shit. Oh. Right, now I want the hole. I'll move it all inwards a bit. Follow that line. I can't see my dot. Where's my dot? Ah, there you are. See it now. Oh, I'm moving my dot as well. Oh. Well, that's no frigging good. I moved the frigging dot. I'm just gonna have to undo all this now. Stupid thing. Right. Undo, 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 undo. Right. Let's try doing this without moving my dot, which is there. Oops. Oh. Hang on. Oh shit. Oh, hang on. Precise positioning is not critical. That's good anyway, I think. Right. Right, I need to measure from there. That line, which is 11.1. One should be right now. 9.2. What the hell? Hang on. .2. Oh, just a sec. Hang on, I just need to move that, not the hole. Yeah, I need to move the hole as well. Right, let's move this by 0.6. 0.6. Right, that should be right now. Hopefully. 9.4. I want the intersection. Got you. 9.8. Oh god. 0.4 millimeters. Yeah, what's the 0.2 actually, I need to move it, so let's see, 0.2, that should be bang on now. But you might think, what the hell am I doing? I'll show you in a minute. I want this to be right in the middle of the track. 9.6. 9.6, that's bang on now. See, that line is the inside of the track, and that dot is the inside of the track on the other track, which I've got to do. There's going to be a track in there for the magnet, which I'm going to be able to move my magnets around a bit. Right, so I'll hide that. Oh, hang on a minute, get out of that first, otherwise I'll hide my hole as well. Right, edit component, just hide that. Now I need another that hole can disappear now. That was just to give me the central point. Right, delete, and I want to increase the steps on this to divide that to 96. I don't know where I got that number from, but try typing it. 96. Divide that by 96. I think it's the number of divisions by, if you're using three multiple. If I multiply the 3 by times 2 times 4, I think it's, yeah, I did something the other day, I was working something out. Right, so I've got this little track thing, and what I want to do is make some magnet inserts where I sit the magnets inside there, and I can place the magnets in different positions. It's a bit like a Lego situation, something like that anyway. That needs to be recessed. Let's see. .4, and the magnets will be 2mm thick, so I'll just go 2mm deep, 2.4 deep. Right, so I've got a track, and I'm going to make some plastic things where I stick my magnets in, and they're going to be like crescent shapes that I can put in and move around inside that section to adjust the timing of the magnets. I really want a thing where they can have a lever on the outside where I can move the lever like I did on that other bubbleator thing I did, where I had adjustable timing. I want a piece of plastic that connects to the magnet section so that I can slide them around. I want an overhanging lip as well. I want to glue an overhanging lip to prevent the magnets from falling out or dropping out, or I could put some kind of a slope on these to snap them into place, and I'll show you what I mean. If I select, oh, I can't do it now, can I? Because I've divided it so much that the only way to get that now is to do it on the side view, and that's tricky. So if I go to side view, or I could do it maybe by face. Oh, let's try the face idea. Let's scale the face. Scale face, that might work. Let's try that. So I could scale, yeah, that'll work, the face, so I can scale it out a bit so that it's got a snap point. If you look, it's now sloped, right, so that when I click something in place it won't fall out. So I'm going to scale the other one, this face, right. Oh, I only want the inside though, I don't want the outside. Shit. How do I do that? hang on, have I scaled the inside of this one as well? I might have done. It's the bearing socket, so it shouldn't matter. It shouldn't matter really. Let me just see. Can I? Oh, I know. I think I know how to do it. I draw another circle. Like that. Oops. Reverse this. Now if I scale that one, maybe I can fix it. Right, so scale, want it inwards a bit. That might work, yeah. So that, now I can get rid of this other line. Okay, that worked. I didn't mess up the edge. So that's tapered in slightly. Oh, it might be too much. Yeah, I think it's too much. I'm just going to undo that a minute. I need to do it less. Oh, 0.99 is good enough. So, yeah, that's okay. Right, now get rid of that. That should work. It's got a slight taper on it, you see. A slope on it, on the inside to keep whatever I put in there locked in place. What I'll do is I'll design a piece that I just push it in and twist it and it'll lock in place, and I can slide it around and move it, adjust it, whatever. Right. So I've got to do that now. I've got to make some pieces, like, so what we'll do is close that group. Is it already closed? Yeah. Now I need to design thingamajig. I'm just gonna, right, the magnets, I'm just gonna, this is all hand stuff, so I'm just gonna click there, I'm gonna put an arc, right, then I find the end of that, hang on a minute, I can't see it now, there it is. I think that's it. Right, let's come across here. There's the other end. It says endpoint, but that's not it. It's here somewhere. Right, let's try this. This is. I'm just going to do it by hand. I can scale it up. You see. Right, another arc from here to here. Right, I can't see if it's completed, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide the rest of this other thing. Hide that. Right, you can see where I've made a mistake there, so I'm just going to trim that. It's not joined, look, that's why. Join that together. Oops. Oh, hang on, I've got the act. Is it on the right plane? I've got a gap, that's why it won't complete. There we go, I got it now. I'll just chop this extra bit off now. Right, okay, I've got a little section, and I'm hoping I've made it big enough for a 20mm or a 20mm magnet. Let's measure that. Should be. Yeah, easy. So I can put a round 20mm magnet or a rectangular 20mm magnet. So now let's bring that other thing back. I'm just going to group that. Make group. I want to colour it so that I can see it better. I'm going to keep pink. Oops, I'm in black and white mode, aren't I? Right. Make that visible. Oops, wrong one. I want the bottom one. Where's the bottom one? What? What the hell? Where's my bottom one gone? Did I say I deleted it? What the hell? Where's my bottom one gone? Can't believe it. On high. Well, at least the part. I must have clicked delete. This is the trouble, they put flipping erase right next to hide. Look, if you look at this stupid screen, right, they've got erase right next to freaking hide, so I might have clicked on erase by accident. That's a stupid place to put erase. I should have put it right at the bottom. Right, alright, so now I've got to invert this and copy this down, and luckily I've got two of these. Jesus, I don't believe this shit. Right, edit component. Oh shit, my group's gone. Edit component. Unhide. I want to get everything visible again. This is nuts. At least I've got my altitude on this pin here. I can bring the other one down. So. Oh dear. This is. Oh shit! What I just did then. Undo. Right. I want that one. I want close. Oh, that's in that group, innit? Oh shit. Edit component. Select all connected, make group, copy. Oh, this is ridiculous. Hang on a minute. Right. Let me just do it this way. I can't remember how many far I moved it last time now. Just a minute. Right, I need to come down. .3 flip blue axis. They still come too far. What the hell? I don't know. Get this. Right. Hide the top one. Yeah, I'm just going to be very careful because you can lose your work. It just disappears on you sometimes. Delete all my guides now. gone. Right, so this wants to come up a bit more. Okay, right. Let's just hide that. Right, I need this the same height as that, so just a minute. Close component. I want this the same height as that. I think it looks about right. Oh, it's near enough. Let's check it. Edit group. How far does this move beyond the surface? It's at 0, so that's the same height. Good. Right, there's my segment, and that wants to be, I'm just going to make sure it's at the same height as well. Edit group, that needs to come down. To the face. And just going to make sure this is level. Oops, wrong end. On face, why is it not? Right. It's a bit of a tight fit, so I'm going to scale it a bit. I've got to taper this thing as well, probably. Yeah, probably. I'm going to copy that. Make the component out of it. Copy, paste the copy there. I want to scale that back a bit. This edge. Black and white, come on, black and white. Right, if I move this actually forward. Oh, I need a ruler, I need a line, hang on a minute. I'm talking too much again. I want a line. Stupid. Wrong way. Shit. Right, I'm just going to rotate that begin line. Because it's a component, I've got a mirror image of it, I've got a blooming echo of it as well. Right. So the bottom wants to be forward a bit. Right, let's have a look at that. Yeah. I think that might fit, let's have a look. Oh yeah, not bad. That is brilliant actually, it's just barely coming through the face there. Look at that, it's just barely coming through that face. That's pretty good. It'll key in, you see, I don't want it to fly out. I've got to do the other one now. This back one. So that one's got to move about 0.5 millimeters out. I'll go to with 0.4. Right, that should do it. It's keyed now. So what I want to do is make it so that I can put this in and twist it in place, but I'm going to have to round the corners off, otherwise it won't work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to chop these sharp corners off so I can twist it in place. So I'm going to go to there, like that. Of course I've keyed it as well, so it's going to be, I don't think I'm going to be able to, I'm going to have to chop it off or something. I'm just doing it by eye, it's not precise. I need to chop these corners off a bit as well. Right, so this is the tricky part. I've got to chop this off. I'm going to move that, copy that line. Let's have a look a minute. Oh, I've overlapped the edge. No, I haven't. Because I can't push pull that. It won't let me. Let's try it. Oh, it does. I can. Oh, good. Let's go to the... Oh, right, that worked. Cool. I just chop that all that crap off the end. Will they all do that? They normally don't push pull, you see. Oh. How far did that one go? Right, I'll clean this mess up in a minute. Oh, that won't go. Oops. No, that will go. Right, let's just chop this crap off the end. Oops. Oh well, I'll fix that in a minute. Hang on. Won't do. Oh yeah, my wall's out straight now, that's the problem. I can chop this off. I don't want to chop that off. Oops. Undo again. Ah yeah, I need a line down here, that's why. I'll fix this in a sec, hang on. This is what happens sometimes. It's tapered now. I'll fix it in a minute. I lost my taper. I've just realised. Oh, I just realised. Shit. Hang on. Put it all back a minute. I need a line from there. Oh, actually it's a curved line. Just a minute, I'm trying to fix this. Oh, I see, hang on. Just get rid of this other clutter a minute. Oops! I got face backwards. Oh, I see. Ah, hang on. That's a straight edge anyway. Come on, stupid thing, stay up. Oh! Why would it lock? I only got one face out of all that. Right. Oh, this isn't working. You know, I should have done really. I should have cut these corners to begin with, then scaled it. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's gonna look fine when it's printed. It just looks a bit of a mess right now. I can't find a green bit. Oh, I'll just have to do them there. Right. Might need a line through here. Got a hole. Oops. What the hell am I? No, it's reverse space. Oh, it needs to be deleted anyway. Oh, hang on. Oops. Oh shit. Where am I? Oh yeah, there's a hole. Right, let's see if I can fix this hole first. That needs to be joined to there. We need to join that. Oh, it's already linked anyway. I need to put some lines down. With some blue lines down. Vertical axis. Oh shit, come here. Oh, it's because it's tapered. Undo a minute. Let's see. I need to be there. Lock it on to there. It was already there, that line. Huh. Weird. Well, right, I want a line going down here. Cause in a minute I'm going to... Where's the blue line? Come here, stupid blue line. Right. What the hell? Oh, that's in mid-air. Oh, that's no good. Well, I'm going to have to delete this because it's sticking out. So, I'll just fix that in a minute. Right, get rid of that. That's better, I can see what I'm doing now. It's on a slope, so it's fiddly. Right. Yeah, it looks a mess, I know, but... Oh shit, I've just realised something. Mind you, that's going to make it easy to actually get it engaged in the... Uh-oh, shit, my oh, where the hell have I gone now? I hate it when it does that. Yeah, that should still click into place. The only trouble is my faces are messed up. All these lines. I'll have to see if I can get rid of them in a minute. Actually, let's try now. Ooh, I can get rid of, yeah, I can get rid of them lines. Brilliant. Just as long as it keeps the face on there. Let's see, what about this? That's the wrong way around. Can I get rid of that line? No. Bring it back. Right, it's this bit here that must go now. I need to get rid of this bit. I think I've just lost it. No, I haven't. That's good, it's still there. I just need to fix this one up. Yeah. Oops. Oh, my mouse slipped. Will that work? It's a bit straight there, but yeah, I think it'll work. As long as I've got my keyway, a little bit of keyway there, that's the main thing. You sort this out now. Right, that's... I don't like this edge here, it's really weird. I'm going to go vertical. I want blue line. I want to link to that line. There we go. Get rid of the extra surplus. Oops. Oh shit, done it again. I'm zooming into infinity. Right, so that vertical line I want to keep, I think it's that one. I think I'll get rid of them, yeah. I think I can get rid of... Right, let's just sort this out. I am getting tired. What? That's in mid-air. Oops, that's not good. I'm just going to chop this end off here. That's better. Yeah, so much better. Right. It looks a weird shape, but what I've got to do is I've got to... Well, let's go to the actual model in a sec. Oh, that end hasn't come off yet. I've still got one to do. Right. Can't see the... Let's try and push that up. Yeah, that worked. Chop this end off now. I'll join that up to there. Oh, actually, let's use the arc tool if I can. Go from... Oh no, that's no good. I know, I'll do it. Oh shit, it's done it again. Stupid thing. Oh, it does that. So that's my slope. Oh, I know what I can do. I can pull this out. I can get my rotate tool here. Let's try this. Oh yeah, that worked. That joined and fixed it. Sometimes you can rotate things. Alright, let's try that. Let's have a look. It's not bad. I only have to make one of them, you see, and copy them. It doesn't look perfect, but as long as I can get the magnet fitted in these little pieces of plastic and key them in so they don't fall out, that's all I'm bothered about. Let's go to the actual model. There it is. Let's see how it all changed with what I've just done. Let's see if it's... I might have to scale it back a bit because it looks like it's pushing through the wall there. Yeah, it's pushing through the wall a bit there. So what I'm going to do is, let's check this other end. Oh, that one's not pushing through. Cool. Oh, that one's not pushing through. Let's hide this. Edit this group. Component. Edit group. Hide that a minute. I want to see what's poking through. Nothing's poking through. Let's just hide that. Oh, what the hell? Oh, we can actually see it's right up against the wall there. That's perfect. Let's just hide that one. It's just touching the wall. That's bang on. Hide that. It's just behind the wall. I just need to undo all these hides now. Undo, undo, undo. Undo the other one as well. Let's have a look at this one. Hide that. Yeah, we've got this sticking through a bit. Alright, so what I'm going to do is scale it back a bit. Undo. Undo. Right, let's go and scale this back a bit. Edit component. Actually, I don't need to do. Let's just click on group. Scale. I want to move this back a bit. I want to be minus. Let's try that. Let's see if that fits now. Oh, it didn't move. Hang on, let's undo. Yeah, it didn't move. Yeah, I've got to actually edit the component. Edit component. Select all connected. Scale. Oops. Right, 99, 98. Right, now it's not touching. Yeah, that's going to work. Let's try edit component, edit group, hide. Now it's not sticking through there now. It's not poking through the wall, which is great. Okay. So I've scaled it back a little bit just so I don't have to start filing and sandpapering things down a bit. So I've got this thing. Now all I have to do is make my edit component. Now I've got two choices. I want a round magnet or a rectangular magnet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with I'm going to do a rectangular magnet so I can fit my really strong magnets in there, and then I'm going to superimpose a round indent so that I've got an option of round or rectangular, and I'll show you that. So we want to be 25 millimeters by 8 millimeters. Right, so I've got to, hopefully it'll fit in here. Let's see. Oh, we're pushing it a bit. Definitely pushing it. I'm just going to come out of this group for a minute because I want to superimpose it. Right, 25.1 or 0.2 by 8.2. Right, now we can see that the magnet is not going to fit on there. Right, select all connected. Well, that's no problem because what I'm going to do is scale that width up a little bit because it's a little bit too cramped on there. So I'm going to leave that on there a minute. I'm going to attempt to scale this up a bit, so or I can. Right, so that's in a group. Oh, select all connected. Make group. Right, now it's in a group. Let's see. I need to just. Oh shit! What's getting so hot? My hard drive's getting warm. Hang on. I need to put my fan up a bit. Computer's getting really toasty right now. Oh, actually, I can throttle my CPU back down a bit. Just a minute. That should cool things down. I got an alarm on my hard drive because it's sitting right. Well, it's the temperature in the case is getting pretty warm. No worries, it's going to cool down now. Right, so what I have to do is I want to pivot that so that I don't mess up my faces on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this, the middle axis, and I'm going to edit component. I'm going to select everything on this side. We're going to pivot from here a little bit this way. That was 5.4. I'm going to go over here. If it's messed up, I can go and undo it. Go to this axis. Go to I'll type 5.4. That should. That's a bit more up at the magnet. Let's just go and check, see what we've done. Make sure we haven't broken it. Let's go and check over here. Well, we've still got clearance. You can see there's a gap there. And well, that's probably only 0.1 millimeters as well. Let's check it. 0.4 millimeters. It's going to be tight anyway, this thing. I can always scale that back out again. Let's check the back end. Edit component. Hide. Let's just hide that as well. Yeah, I've got a little bit of breakthrough there. But I'm not worried about that. You're probably thinking, what the hell is at the point of all this? Well, if I made holes in the rotor where the magnets went, those holes are permanent, which would mean I would have to print a whole new rotor if the magnets were not in the right position. Well, by doing it this way, I can move the magnets around inside a clamp position, and once I get them in the right place, I can literally just glue these little plastic inserts in place so that they don't move anymore, you see. Or I can make them adjustable, you know, so it gives me an option to move things around. Also, I can print these things out, a lot less plastic is wasted, means I can reuse the rotor over and over and over again, so I don't have to keep printing out new rotors, which is a lot of plastic, you know. So undo that. So that's not bad, but I'm not happy about this back one. Oh, actually, just let redo that in a minute. Redo hide. Let's just adjust that one a bit. So if I get out of that, this back corner is just catching a bit. So I'm going to edit component. Oops. And I'm just going to select this lot here, and I'm going to pivot that in a bit. Oops, I've got a distortion there, I don't want that. Hang on a minute. Unselect this. I want to actually I think what I need to do is I'm just going to chop this corner off. That's a better idea, because that's tapered, but the rest, most of it's tapered anyway. I don't have to have it all tapered, but this corner's a bit of a mess anyway. So I'm going to put a curve right between here and here. I'm going to attempt to chop this off, this piece. Let's try that. Right. That's probably better. I need a line from there to there and there to there. Oh, get rid of this. Right, it sticks out. That's the taper part that I want. This has become straight, but I can reintroduce the tapered bit on here if I want. But there's a tapered bit there, which is what I want, and this is straight. But I'm not worried. As long as it's not interfering and sticking through that wall. Let's have a look. Is it sticking through the wall now? Actually, it is a bit still. There's a little bit sticking through that wall there. It's right on that bit that sticks out. So what I'm going to do is go back over here, and it's this bit here that's sticking out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put another curve on here. Oh, I'm not up. I need to be further back. Let's go to there, to there. Right, I'm just going to put a vertical line so I don't break the face off here. Just want the X-ray view a minute. Yeah, it's like there. So if I just go on the blue axis, hold shift down, lock it to that, and just draw a line between there and there, and there, and there. We should be okay. Let's go up now. I don't know if that'll work. I'll try. I'll just try that. Right, that should fix it. This, I could lose my face when I take this corner off, so I'll just try it first. Oh, it's still there, good. I need a line now. The other line didn't work, so I've got some tapers that I still want. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to connect them up, connect the dots. Come on. Right, I'm hoping that's going to sort that out. It doesn't all have to be tapered, just as long as it keys in. But if I want to taper it again, I can still pull it out. So if I grab this edge here now, if I grab this edge, oops, this line here, I can just pull that out of it if I want, like this. So I've got a taper back there now, look. So I can do that. But it might catch again, so let's just have a look. Is it catching through there? Actually, it looks pretty good. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? So we've got a key now where it'll lock in so it doesn't keep pulling out. And I've got to somehow get these in there and twist them and to lock them in place. But when I first print these things, these discs are quite thin, so you can bend them. So I can bend the disc back a bit and it'll open this hole and make it bigger, and then this will pop in and I can just let go and it'll spring up and then it'll be in place. Once it's in there, I don't have to take it out, I can just put magnets in and pull them out. And so I need to make it so that this magnet is, so let's just copy this. I'm just going to cut that, edit component, paste in place, explode that, now intersect face with model just to make sure it's part of it. Now I should be able to push through all the way, I'm hoping, fingers crossed. There we go, so I can stick my magnet in there now. And I can glue it in, and then I can move it along the track to time it. So that's if I use a rectangular magnet. But I also want to be able to use a round magnet, so I'm just gonna fill that top hole in a minute. Just put one face on it because I want to be right in the middle of this. So that would be 25.2 divided by 25.2. I can't add this up. It's 12.6. I'm useless at adding up. 12.6. Right, so can I actually get a round magnet in there as well? I'm just going to close the group a minute, close component, because it's backing, so I don't mess up everything. I want to be right in the middle of this line. I'm going to measure it again. 8.2, so that'll be 4.1. So 4.1. Right, so it's a 20mm 20mm magnet, but from the center it should be 10.1. That's about right. Right, I'm going to select all connected, cut, edit this again, edit component, delete all guides. Why isn't that one gone? Oh well. Right. paste in place. Now that should fit in there. Right, I'm just gonna intersect faces with model, delete that. Oh no, actually no, undo. I want to delete this stuff. Am I in this group? Is that one to delete? Erase that. Erase that. And erase that. Because that was already a hole, do you remember? Now we just have to get rid of that. Get rid of that. And that face wants reversing. And now this thing is really springy now, so it will bend. So I can get the 20mm magnets if I want as well. So now this thing is even easy to get in because it's springy. But once the magnet's in, it'll be solid. But I can put this in first, then stick the magnet in afterwards. You see, that's what I'm thinking. That's another way. Right, get all that. Delete guides because there's one stuck there. Now it should be even better. Now you can see it. So I can move this around there. Right, view hidden. Ah. Alright, let's bring that one back. So now you get a rough idea. Oh, actually the one at the top doesn't have one yet, but it needs one. So if I go to this, component, if I cut it, edit cut, then edit component, edit group, then select all, make another group. Now paste it in place. Now I've got one at the top as well. I should have. That's weird. There should be one on top as well. Huh? How come? Right. That is a component, isn't it? Hang on. Oh, it's no longer a component. What the hell? Why? What the hell happened there? Oh, this is stupid. I don't get it. I don't understand it. This was a component because everything I changed down here has changed up there, and now it's a group. What's happened to the component aspect part of it? This is stupid. Right. All right. I'm going to have to delete that. Again, erase. This is stupid. Alright, hang on. Edit group. Edit group. Yeah, two groups. Close group. Close group. Close component. So that was a component. That component had that in as well. What the hell? Edit component. Ah, I see. Right, I'm going to make it a component because it wasn't a component. Edit component. Now it's a component. Whatever. I don't know what's going on with this. It was a component before and then it became a flipping group. Stupid. Ridiculous that. I don't know what's going on there. Right, I'm just going to copy this again. Oh, I'm sick of moving this around. Ah, come on up here. Flip along blue axis. Now there's one up there as well. There should always be one up there as well because you want one at the top, one at the bottom for this thing to work, I think. But that's the theory. I was going to make a sled on it, you know, I thought about it a lot, and I thought, well, what's the point if I just make these things messing about with the sled? There's friction, you say, but with this there's no friction, so there's a big difference. I've got that gap. That gap's not bad. It's about the same. That's good enough for me. I even lost the cut. I'm in black and white mode. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So why the hell did that thing lose its component status before? I just don't know. Right, so we've got one at the top, I've got one at the bottom. You know, I think I should end the stream soon anyway, because I'm getting tired and I want a break. But you can get the idea of my new design of what I'm working on. I've just got to put the... What I want to do is to make this simpler so that I don't have this fighting about with design constraints. Is I'm going to use pillars. This bottom one, this top thing is going to be the stator instead of the rotor. It's going to be stationary, so I can put pillars on it, and I can use my stands that I already printed for this one as well. So it's not like I've wasted my stands printing them out. I can still use the stands for this. So that's what I was thinking about when I was designing it. I thought, well, can I make use of any of the stuff I've already used? And just like the concentrics, I can still use them. So yeah, I can still use stuff I printed, and even those rotors that I made for the magnet motor, the ones that had the magnet spacing in the wrong positions, I can use them as, I can glue them or acetone them to the bottom of these these stators, this thing and the top one. I can stick them on to make them much stronger, so I'm not going to waste the plastic, you see. That's why I wanted to stick with the same size, because I'm going to just stick them on the back, and they're not spinning anymore. But the part that's going to be spinning is the concentrics instead inside. But I'm not worried about wind resistance, because it's just an experiment, isn't it? It's just to test things out. It'd be kind of novel to see it turning actually, because I'm going to have to put arms on this. I'll show you what I mean. Hide. Right, so the thing I haven't modelled yet is the bit what holds these things in place. So we've got the... hang on. Edit group. We've got this thing that comes up, and I'll just put the same height as that for now. So what I've got to do is make a... so I'm going to hide this top thing. Hang on. Edit component, edit group, hide the top one, so we've just got the top part of the ball now. So what I've got to do now is make a rectangle. Oh, that'll work. Hang on, I'll just do that and I'll cut it down in a minute. Right, I'm going to shape this up in a minute just to bring it up to the top like this. It's a big box right now. And I'm just going to get the bottom of this. Oops, I can't get underneath it now. It'll be right underneath. That's got to be down to there. And that's got to come down a bit. Let's bring that other one back a minute. Unhide. Right, what I've got to do is punch a hole in that, and we use this to punch a hole in it. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. Right, come down here. I've got a gap here. No. I think I've got a gap there now, yeah. And the bottom wants a gap as well. Right, so I'm just gonna move this forward a bit. I'll just come up to the edge of this and centre it like that. Right, so what I want to do is use the intersect with component with faces option, because it should punch a hole in this thing. So I'm going to make this a component now. Right, select all connected, make component, right, edit component, select all connected, intersect faces with model. It should punch some holes in it, hopefully. Let's see if it has. Close component, copy, paste. Yeah, look at that. You see, we've got a hole for where the ball was sitting, and we've got a ring where the ball was sitting. We've got a ring where the drive shaft was sitting. So when I used the intersect faces with model, it punched holes for me, or made the template for the holes, and now all I've got to do is punch them holes out. Edit component, and now which is the bigger one? One's bigger than the other, so I've got to measure these, because it's tape. The ball is not perfectly. It's the ball that's the problem. It's not. It's a funny shape. So I measure this side. It's 21.9. I want the biggest circle. Measure this side, it's 21.8, 21.6. So this side is no good, so I'll delete that side. Now I'll just punch that out. With the extruding tool, create my edge. The 6mm should be exactly the same at both the top and the bottom, so I'll just go like that. It should be the same. There we go. So now I've got holes. I've got that to hold the ball, so the ball will just squeeze in this hole. Then I'll put the concentric on the top and one on the bottom, so that's not going to fly off or anything. And then this needs it needs a hub on it, so it's not, it grips the drive shaft. So what we have to do with this now is, you see this over there, it'll all be exactly the same. So if I go in here a minute, hide that, you see we've got the hole, everything, there's a hole there as well, but it's filled with a ball right now. So what we're going to do now is put I'm just going to fill this hole in temporarily. I want to get my axis. Come on, you bloody thing. Give me the centre. Ah! It won't give me the centre. Come on. Nearly. Come on. It does, this SketchUp can be really buggy for me. It's trying. Come on. Let me just try something else. Let me try this one. That found a center. Let's see if it'll do this one now. Ah, this is really driving me. I'm just going to use my ruler. Do X marks the spot. That should work. All I want is a flipping. Yeah, that worked. So all I want is this, a collar, to give me a strong thing in my teeth. I'm sure I'll get rid of that now. I want that about 5mm up. So we've got that, you see now. Oh, it's at the bottom, yeah. There we go. Well, it's upside down for some reason, I don't know why. Weird. Strange. Well, hang on a minute, close that, delete guides. I'll flip it on the blue axis so I can do, I don't have to turn everything upside down. Edit component, we'll do this one on this side now. Hopefully it's not going to be so big. So anyway, I'm going to cheat with this because I had such a hassle before. I'm just going to copy that face. I'm going to copy that face by going to that edge, pressing the plus control key. I'm going to go up. Oh, I've got the wrong one. Hang on a minute. I've grabbed the wrong face. Let's just go up until we get to the top. I want to be on this corner. Oh bollocks, I lost my anchor now. Oh, I'm back on it. Hang on. Shift. There we go. I think I'm... Oh shit, you twat. Yeah, I should have flipped the... Undo that. Just undo that. I need to copy this. Right, copy. Close the group. Close component. It's closed. Paste in place. Now I'm going to move it. Oh, I don't need a plus. Shit. Hang on. Should be on the surface, yep. Right, the face is upside down, you see, so I have to reverse it. Reverse face. Select all, connected. Cut. Edit component. Paste in place. Oh shit, I've lost my face again. What the hell's going on with this? I don't believe it. Undo. What the hell? Just a minute, hang on. Close component. Paste in place. Right, it's there. Why is it not? Why is it deleting this face? I just don't know. Right, let's just see if I can fix this. Now this isn't part of the component at the moment. So why is it? Oh, maybe there's a problem. Let's just go make this bigger. Let's go underneath it if I can get underneath it. Oh, I can't get it. Oh, I've got it now. Put it on the face. Because it might not be lined up properly. Right, let's try. Select all connected, let's cut. Now let's try putting it on. Edit component. Paste in place. Oh shit, I've lost my face again. Why is it doing it? I just don't know. I'll try putting it back, hang on. This is stupid. Yeah, it's back. Oh, I've lost the other one now. Intersect faces with model, erase. Oh, such a lot of hassle with this thing. Right, let's see, that's 5mm. That one is 2.4. I can't work this out. 5 minus 2.4 is 2.6, so I need to add 2.6. Right, so that should be the same as that one now. I'm tired. Right, there we go. So I've got this thing that goes on the drive shaft, and this is just one right now. I want several of these, well, 2 or 3 actually. I don't know if I can probably get 2 or 3 on there. I don't know. They need to be close together. I'll tell you why. Because when the concentric starts to disengage a magnet, when it's been disengaged, it will let go, and I want the following one to grab a hold of that field and take advantage of the change in the field, the change in the flux density around the preceding concentric. I want that to influence the following one to say, oh, I can get in here now, and it'll suddenly shoot in as well. So I want to use each one to cascade a field to advantage to the one that's following it, so that it adds to acceleration. That's what I'm thinking anyway, because these balls, think about these balls, right? When these steel balls are actually magnetized, they exert a certain amount of repulsion on each other, right? And on these concentrics and on the magnet. So the magnetic field is being pulled towards this ball, right? It's being attracted to it. When it starts to push away, that field is going to spread out, and it's going to grab the next ball which is coming in, because the next ball won't have a counter magnetic field pushing back on it to make it release, so it'll be attracting more. That's what I'm thinking anyway. It's a theory. There's no proof that it'll work. It's just an idea, and I want to try it and see. Yeah, I think I'll make it work. But this is why I need to make these magnets adjustable. So if I hide this a minute, edit component. If I hide that, all that. Now I need edit component, edit group. I'm just going to fill this hole in a minute. Right, I need, let's see how many degrees I can get. I'm going to go with 30 degrees, so let's try copy. Oh, it's actually more than 30 degrees. It's more like this 60. Let's go with 60 degrees then, or 65. Oh, hang on, it's got to be, just a minute, I'll escape a minute, I need to work this out. Right, 360 degrees divided by, let's see, 6 is 60. Right, 360 divided by 4 is 90. Let's try the 91. I don't want them to be too close together, you see, or cramped. Let's try the 90. Is it 90? I could always undo it if I'm... Oh shit, I forgot it. I forgot to press the plus button. So I can only get 4 on here really. At least it's an even number, so it'll give me adjustment. Right, let's go to the... Oops. I can't see anything again. Where the hell's my other thing gone? Where's my flipping concentric gone? What the... Oh, SketchUp lost my concentric. I'm in hidden geometry, it's not there. Where's it gone? Shit, I'm just going to have to go back and find out what happened to it. So I'm going to have to do a bunch of undos now because my concentric's gone. I'm not going to accept that, that's ridiculous. Undo. When did it get... It's there now, so how did it disappear? Hide, not erase. Hide. Right, still there. This is what's annoying me. My stuff is disappearing. Right, I've got to do this all again now. Edit component. So I'm going to do this again now. At least I know it's 90, so... When SketchUp put the command to erase right next to hide, that is really stupid. I am using an old version though, that's probably why. They probably deliberately put it there to make life miserable for everybody so that we'd have to buy the new latest version. It's a little catchy trick that they do, this with these people. Right. 90. Right, let's bring that thing back again now. Hopefully it's still there. Thankfully it is. You know, I've just realised something. I haven't saved this since I started. It's time to save it, then I won't lose stuff, will I? Right, save. Right. I'm going to make a backup of this. Edit component. Cut it then. Undo, cut. My mouse jumped then. Copy. I must be tired or something. Paste. I'm just going to paste this over here as a backup, and then I won't lose it next time. Okay. I want black and white mode again. It's pretty easy to see, brighter. Okay, so that is the theory, and that's my new model. Anyway, part of it. There's a lot more work to do yet. I've got to put bracing on and stuff, and I mean this bracket is going to be a bit flimsy. Oops, why is it doing that? So what I've got to do is put some bracing on the sides of this to make it so it doesn't flop about. So what I'm going to do is, sorry if I'm making you dizzy, I've just realised I'm zooming and zooming, and so I'm going to edit group, edit component. I'm going to pull this out of it by 3mm. because I want to put some bracing on here. Two millimeters. It'll be hard to print with the bracing, but it's such a thin bit of plastic, it's gonna flop, so why is it not giving me... Oh, there we go, intersection. Oh, I've got it. Come on, give me intersection, will you? It just makes a cleaner line when you get that. That freaking fly. Sorry. Sorry, I dropped my microphone. I hate flies. Ugh. Came from outside today. I guess I can't say there's no flies on me. This stupid thing. It put me off when I was concentrating as well. It made me jump. Just undo that a minute, because I don't know what I'm doing here. Why is it people on the movies, they swat a fly, they always get it? I miss them every time. Right, so that's braced on one side. What I was thinking about doing was printing two of these and sticking them together, so it needs to be a bit thinner. So if I make this thinner, I can stick two back to back, then I don't have support material when I print this on one side, because it'll be a horrible mess if I've got so I'll make it thinner and I'll just print two of these and stick them back to back. So so that's 2 millimeters thick. So if I make it 1 millimeter thick, then I'll just put two. I'll go up by one. Right, I'll make two of these. Closed component. Hang on. Oh, the ball's in there, isn't it? Edit component. No, it isn't. Close component. Right, I'm just going to copy that one. I want to be down. Two millimeters. Oh, you twat, where did you go? Undo. Hang on. Oh, wasn't selected. Two. Now I need to flip it. Oh shit. Flip on blue. That's it. Needs to be further down now. There, I've got two back to back now. So let's copy that. Top one. delete guides. I'm going to paste that one over there so that what did I just do then? Right. Oh, I just realised. I need to get rid of the bottom half of that. Good thing it's a component. Edit component. Yes, I don't need the bottom one now because they're going to be back to back. So get rid of that. There's two of them back to back. I'm going to end up with nubs that. Oh shit! I've got all that crap in there to get rid of now. Shit! What's going on here? I've got two walls in here for some reason. What the hell? I've got two faces. Delete that face, erase. Don't want a middle face. What the hell? Let's try this again. Right. Oops. I love the undo button, as long as you remember to do it. Right, fixed. Right, that's so the other one should be fixed as well. Let's have a look. What have I got into? I've got overlapping thingy-jigs. What the hell? Why? I thought I'd fixed that. Hang on a minute. That's strange. Oh, I see. I've got it now. It's because these two, yeah, touching. I wonder what them extra lines were, and I just realised. But actually, them lines shouldn't be there. Edit component, edit group, edit component. These lines shouldn't be there. That's it. Right. That's the thing. Right, I can clear my hole out now. This will make it all visible again. Well, I've only got one of these things at the moment, but somehow I've got to get probably 4 more in there. I think I can do it if I cut them backs down a bit. That's another thing to do. Let's just X-ray a minute. It's going to be, yeah, it's going to be tight. These struts I put on, I'm going to have to round them off as well. They're going to have to be rounded off as well. I'm not doing it right now, I'm just going to have a break. I'm tired. That friggin' fly's bugging me. Just one fly is just bugging me. I'm glad I don't live in India, I tell you. Apparently yeah, I hate bugs. Right, so I'll just save it. I like to bet it's been in my coffee as well, which means I've got to go and wash my cup out now, because I like to bet that fly's been in my coffee, my cup, and I don't drink out of it if the fly's been in it, because it might be carrying COVID, you see. Right, yeah. Alright, so how long have I been live for? I have no idea. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. We'll see you later, alligator.